Okay, so since we're done with the RDP connection and everything has been established, we went through the policies as well. It's about time to do something different with the SSH connection. The process seems to be quite similar, and the entire configuration it's reflecting the same steps as we did already, but there will be a small exception because this time we're going to set our regular account. Okay, about the objects, same as before, we need to set the accounts first. Okay, now add the account. In our case, it's going to be user99 at SSH server. The type is going to be a regular account. Session recording, yes, we're going to record all the sessions. Server name, SSH server, obviously. Login, user99. Replace secret with the same password as has been provided to you guys. Okay, now it should be matching. Okay, let's save it then.